In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Docs link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each sharing option means, and how to choose the level of access that makes the most sense for your situation. Start by opening Google Docs and loading the document you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct file because the sharing settings you're about to change apply only to the document that's currently open. If Google asks you to sign in, do that first so you can access the sharing controls. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for the blue Share button. It's hard to miss. Click it and a sharing window will pop up. This window is your control center for who can open your document and how widely it can be accessed. In this window, find the General Access section. There's a drop-down menu there that, by default, usually says Restricted. Restricted means only people you explicitly grant access to can open the document. If you need a link that anybody can open, say you're sending it to a large group, posting it in a chat, or including it in a newsletter, click the drop-down and switch it to Anyone with the link. This option makes the document accessible to anyone who receives the link without requiring them to request access. It's fast and convenient, but remember that anyone who gets the link can open it, so only use this when you're comfortable with broader access. If you prefer to keep tighter control, leave the setting on restricted and add specific email addresses only. This is ideal for confidential or internal documents. Type the email addresses of the people who should have access, and they'll be allowed in even though the general setting remains restricted. This approach ensures only the people you've listed can open the file, even if the link is forwarded elsewhere. It's a great way to prevent accidental oversharing while still making collaboration easy. A quick tip as you decide: think about your audience and the sensitivity of the content. Anyone with the link is best for large or public sharing scenarios. Restricted with specific emails is best for private or limited groups. You can always return to this same share window later to adjust access if your needs change. That's it. Open your document, click Share, and choose between Anyone with the link or Restricted with specific emails. Simple, clear, and secure.